Hello student, today I am taking your business study of class 12th, chapter 4, planning. In this PPT, we discuss about the feature of planning. First feature we discuss, that is planning focus on achievement objective. Then planning is futuristic. Then planning is pervasive. Then planning involves choice and decision making. Planning is a continuous process. Planning is a mental exercise. Let's come into the detail. First feature is planning focus on achieving objective. As we know that in planning function, we not only set up the organizational objective but also find out the way to direct all the resources toward the achievement of that objective. Therefore, all the organizational objective is divided into a divisional objective, that is called the departmental objective. Then according to that, individual objective. If each one can achieve their goal in effectively, then collective manner we can achieve the organizational goal. So we can say that the planning focus on achieving objective. Second feature is planning is futuristic. Obviously planning is a futuristic because it is a function of peeping in the future, means it is a bridge between the present and future, where we are and where we want to go. So all the assumptions relating to the future is concerned in this function of management. So we can say that it is a futuristic or forecasting based function of management. Due to that forecasting, it is a futuristic. It's clear. Let's go to the third feature of planning, that is called planning is pervasive. As we know that planning is a pervasive function because it is not an exclusive function of top management. Top management set the goal and make a plan. Middle management execute that plan to the departmental head, and the lower management, means operational management, implement that plan to the worker and convert that plan into a concrete work. So we can say planning is a pervasive because it links all the department, all the personnel of organization, and all the level of management. Is it clear? Let's go to the fourth feature, that is called the planning involve choice and decision making. Obviously we can study in our planning process that in planning we develop a different type of course of action for achieving organizational goal. Then we do the comparatively study of all the courses of action with their pros and cons, and find out the best one which have a least negative aspect and maximum positive response. So we can say that the planning involves the decision making by choosing a best alternative from our course of actions. Next, planning is a continuous process. It is ongoing process because whenever when plan accomplish, another take place. We very well know that the planning is a specific time period. For completing that time period or completing a plan, the another plan take place. So it is a continuous process. It is an ongoing process. After that, we discuss the next feature, that is called the planning is a mental exercise. Obviously, in a planning, we focus the near future. So we imagine, then we set the goal for the future. So we forecasting, and then evaluate, choosing a best alternative. So we evaluate the best decision. So imagination, intellectual work, and intelligence work, or sound judgment, or forecasting for the future, or you can say the sound imagination for the future. All these things make the planning is a mental exercise, or we can say that it is an intellectual work. So